What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use animated wallpapers with Wallpaper Engine. Wallpaper Engine is a fantastic program that lets you replace your static desktop background with dynamic animated wallpapers. First, you will need to download Wallpaper Engine, which is available on Steam. If you don't already have Steam installed, search for it in your browser. Download it from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, open Steam, go to the Store section and search for Wallpaper Engine in a search bar. The software typically costs around $5, but prices may vary depending on your location. Purchase it and download it to your Steam library. Once Wallpaper Engine is installed, launch it. You can do this from your Steam library by clicking the play button or from your desktop if you've created a shortcut. Alternatively, if the program is already running, you can find its icon in the system tray by clicking the Show Hidden Icons arrow at the bottom right of your taskbar. Right-click the Wallpaper Engine icon and select Change Wallpaper to open the application. When the app launches, you will see options to choose how wallpapers display across your monitors. You can assign a unique wallpaper to each screen or use the same one for all displays by selecting Clone. Adjust these settings to your preference. Wallpaper Engine includes a collection of pre-installed animated wallpapers. You can start exploring them by selecting one from the list in the Installed tab. Once you choose a wallpaper, you will notice customization options on the right side of the screen. Here, you can adjust settings such as playback speed, background color, and even the wallpaper's orientation. Once you are happy with your selection and adjustments, click OK, and the wallpaper will minimize to the background while running smoothly. If you want more wallpapers, click on the Discover tab at the top. This section shows popular and curated animated wallpapers. To access an even larger library, click Workshop, where you can search for specific themes or styles. When you find a wallpaper you like, click Subscribe and it will download automatically. Once downloaded, it will appear in your installed list and set as your wallpaper. For a hand-picked collection of high-quality wallpapers, visit wallpaperengine.space. This website features the most popular animated wallpapers for Wallpaper Engine. Simply click on a wallpaper you'd like to use and click on a Steam Workshop link. From here, you can subscribe for it for free to access the wallpaper through your Wallpaper Engine application. Wallpaper Engine also has robust settings to optimize performance. To access them, click the Settings button within the app. Under Playback, you can configure how the wallpapers behave. For example, you can pause animations when running games to conserve resources. The quality settings are crucial for performance. If your PC struggles to handle the animations, set the quality to low or medium. If you have a high-performance PC, you can choose High or Ultra for sharper visuals and smoother animations. Adjust the frame rate to optimize smoothness. 60 FPS provides a premium experience but may use more resources. You'll also find general settings for startup behavior. For instance, you can configure Wallpaper Engine to start automatically with Windows or keep it as a manual option. Additional customization settings include themes for the app interface and more advanced options that most users may not need to adjust. When you're done using Wallpaper Engine, you can close it without losing your animated wallpaper. Simply locate the icon in the system tray, right-click and select Quit to stop the program. The animated wallpaper will revert to the default Windows background until you restart Wallpaper Engine. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.